Morning everyone. Say good morning, Chum. It's day 2 for the calendar. Come here, son. This one's a bit camera shy, the brown one, guys, so bear with us. I'll just put my cup over there and we'll get opening the calendars today. On day 2. What you got? Let's see what you got. Door number 2 today, Chunk. You hungry? Come on then, what we got for you? Are they taking the piss? They must think I'm feeding a fucking chihuahua. Got some little treaties here. Hey, nicely. Good girl. Wait. Nicely. Good girl. You've had yours now. That was door number 2 there, guys. Right, you've had yours. Come here, son. It's probably going to be a bit harder to get him in. He hates the bloody camera, that one. Right, moved your tank's turn. What you got, son? Hey, greedy bugger. Okay, I think he's been gypped of one. He only got 2 in his. He's been bloody gypped. Mummy have to get you a spare biscuit as well, won't we, son? Can you sit? Hey, sit for Mum. Sit. Good boy. Right, out of the way, please. Good boy. Ooh, dropped it. There you go. As you can see, this one loves her food. Greedy little shit, this one. Do you want to say bye to everyone, Chunk? Say bye. Say bye. Good girl.